Most people don't know the requirements for an HVAC license in Texas. Now, you need 48 months of hand-on experience under a licensed contractor within the past 72 months. But there's a shortcut nobody talks about. A 4-year mechanical engineering degree cut that down to just 24 months of experience. A 2-year degree gets you 12 months off. And if you're a certified technician, you also have 12 months off. That means you need 36 months hand-on training under a licensed contractor. The exam is open book exam with 120 questions for Class A and 100 questions for Class B. You must have at least 70% pass in any of the classes you are going in for. Class A gives you unlimited system size, while Class B restricts you to 25 tons or less. Application fee is $115 plus exam cost. The exam cost could be $75, I guessed. You will need a commercial liability insurance and you must pass a background test. Once you are licensed, you need 8 hours of continuing education annually, including 1 hour on Texas law. The Uniform Mechanical Code and Modern Refrigeration textbooks are your best study materials. Follow for the complete licensing roadmap that actually works. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.